What's up, everyone? Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to take the rods and pistons and the main caps and the crankshaft out of my Coyote motor, check out all the damage and carnage that was done from it being hydrolocked and all that fun stuff. And I'm sorry that we keep using my car as a backdrop to talking, but at the moment, I'm not comfortable with being behind the camera, so you're just gonna have to bear with me on that. But anyway, enough of that. Let's jump into the video.
They can buy you some skeletons.
Right now it only goes like a little bit, but better than nothing.
Are they all for me?
Yes. No, which one?
Those two are broke.
Alright then. I mean, I couldn't see it anyway.
Actually, those three are broke.
Alright. Well, as long as it's...
That's why you can't spin it all the way to the rods and broke.
I mean, that's fine. I just wanted it
Well, it
to
might
move.
be fine. But that block might be broke.
The block might be broke.
That rod bent and the pistons ain't moving, something broke.
I know, but you said the
Look
block
at that
broke.
thing's twisted, cuz.
Which piece twisted?
The piston's twisted. It's not straight down, it's sideways.
Oh, it is?
It's cocked.
I'm just glad it moves a little bit. It's better than not moving. Just freed up the motor a while ago. I'm gonna take it, flip it over, and take off the oil pan and see what's in there. Just took off the oil pan, windage tray, and pickup tube, and here's the carnage. So far, there's one broken rod that I see, so that's pretty sick. Oh man, it looks like it dented the side of the cylinder wall there. I don't know if you can see that. I don't. That one's broken or bent. I don't know. I'll have to take it out later and find out. No worries though, if this block is too damaged to use, there's another one. Whoever sent it good. Jeez. Even knocked out part of the windage tray. There's pieces of the windage tray that were in the pan. Oh no, that's part of the rod. Well, take the crank out and the rods out in a little bit. Just rotated it over a little bit more, and that one's bent. So, two broken, chunks taken out of the block, and the bent one. Nice. Gonna pull the crankshaft out and really see the damage that's done, and check the crankshaft and make sure it's not bent. The rods and pistons. Crank seems to turn over okay, pretty freely by hand. And here's the damage. Two broke. A bent one. I think it's still good. Put it back in the other block and send it. The rest of these look pretty straight. Obviously I'm not going to use them, but the damage on the rest of these wasn't too bad, aside from them being rusty with water. But yeah, that's that, and we're going to get back to taking the main caps out and pull the crank out. Went ahead and pulled out the crankshaft. There's a hole right there, and the previous damage. Bent, spun pretty freely once we pulled all the rods and pistons out, so everything looks okay for that. Now this is going to be turned into a table. And there you have it, guys. That's the damage that was done. I'm not going to use the old block. I'm going to take it and use it, turn it into a table for my apartment whenever I get one of those here soon. And, oh, today I boxed up all of the intake stuff off of my old motor here, and I shipped it off to some guy in Iowa. Hope he gets good use out of it, because I'm not anymore. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.